don't know how many more trains it is until steam. Hopefully not too many. Bent wigwam. It's a bent wigwam. Oh, wait, it's just got snapped. Oh no, it's not. I don't think it is anyway. The barrier plates, so put black spray paint over them. So I've probably done that. Tap anyone, messing with that. Oh, my arms just got soaking. Oh my gosh. No, there's no trees about. It's already growing old. The train's coming out. They fixed the barrier, that's good. Looking there.
Little kiddie had their head in it. He went up and we took him up with us. Oh yeah.
Should be the service. Do pizza slice then.
Yeah, exactly. A frost-free one. You've got to keep doing that.
That's what I said.
I didn't even know people did that now.
I've been saying that for years.
I'm going to say, should I send this video? Yeah, I should. So I'm making a game, which is based, well, it is Poole. The game is about Poole. So, yeah, game with Poole Level Crossing in it. It's just due to come out in about a few months, hopefully. So, get tuned.
Yeah.
train's coming. Oh, I just realised the tension cord's a bit. It's not doing what that bat is supposed to be doing. It's kind of just. Yeah, I was wrong. The train's not coming just yet. Don't think, anyway. Look how busy it is.
I've already missed the end of the day. I haven't missed the days. But the first day, oh no, wrong one. This is past next door, it's 16.
It's been extended like that far.
Oh my god.
This is the new one.
That seagull. That seagull just not stop there. Here it comes. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, they got a hangman on it. Yeah. Oh my god. Donut. That's what I just get. Why don't people just wait? I know. I knew that was going to happen when loads of people went off. I thought, oh, it's going to hang around. There it was. Oh. Not sure which train's going to come first. Have you seen the tension cord over there? You know, the cord pulling up the barrier. That one. It's weird. This one's a bit better, of course. But on the other one, at the end, it just seems to go. This side's actually okay. Well, it's better anyway. Does it slightly? Not as good as my barrier, is it, Rich? Rich. Nothing. I keep calling you Rich. But you was going to put a cord on it or something. Yeah. Well, maybe don't make it too visible though, because if it's short, so. Normally on the bigger barriers where they just have one barrier either side instead of two. Normally, of course it's so big, they put the support arms and cords on it so it doesn't snap in the middle or something. think these are quite heavy, aren't you? But they're actually quite light. They are actually quite light.
My dangly bits are very authentic.
Yeah. Oh, the thing's loose there. Come out there. I'm only joking about this, but what you should try and find is one of them little meters.
Coming from that way. Coming from that way.
The train pulling into the station, or is it coming out of the station? I think it's coming into the station. I can't see that well. I think the train's coming down there. Yeah, it is. Do you know why South Western Railway never honk their horns? They're not allowed to. I said that, you know, that driver once at Sherborne was being a bit cheeky and honked it. I thanked him
What,
for it.
not
though.
even when it says they have to honk them.
Well, they're allowed to honk then
Oh, but not.
for people. I mean, some of them are a bit cheeky and just give it cheeky toot. Probably. Maybe. Someone's squeaking his bike. I was wondering what that was. I think it's I'd be surprised if the truck did it. Okay. Yeah, it's cool now. That was only going to be 2. Can you answer it? Please. Yeah. Fine. Call him back. FaceTime. Oh, such a lovely. floating cool suggestions because I reckon he might. It's like the sticker's almost transparent.
What the? What's it about?
Should be a steam train.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, hopefully. Steam, yeah. Yeah, one of the engines which used to be on the Swanage Railway have now been converted on the main line, now is doing rail tours, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, because most people look at the wicker. Probably hear it first before it actually comes around, because 47's quite noisy. Sorry about the slight delay on the film, someone filming. Oh. Pretty sure it was running a bit late. It says on real-time trains it was left 12 minutes later than it should have done. Oh, there's a train. Oh, it's coming. No. Yes, finally.